Good day, everyone. I am Johnbert Leguro from BSED English 3A, and today I will be presenting a mathematical concept that is both fundamental and practical in the fields of statistics and research: the weighted arithmetic mean, or WAM. This measure of central tendency is a refinement of the basic arithmetic mean and is particularly useful when different data points contribute unequally to the overall average. Now, what is weighted arithmetic mean, or the WAM? So, the weighted arithmetic mean is a type of average where each data is value, uh, each data value is assigned rather a weighted that a weight that reflects its relative importance or frequency. In contrast to the simple mean, where all values are treated equally, the weighted mean adjusts for the influence of each data point based on its assigned weight. So, this makes it ideal for analyzing data such as student grades, survey responses, or financial performance indicators. In a scenario where some outcomes carry more significance than others. Now, in this presentation, we will use a 4-point Likert scale to illustrate the application of WAM in a real-world context. So, this Likert scale typically includes the following responses. So, the one is equivalent to strongly disagree, two is disagree, three is agree, and four strongly agree. Each numerical value represents a level of agreement and serves as quantifiable measures in our analysis. So, the importance of each response, especially in aggregated survey results, can vary depending on the number of respondents choosing each category. Now, let us assume that we have data from seven respondents, who answered four different questions. So our goal is to compute the average score of each question. So to do this, we have to add all the responses for specific questions and divide the total score by the number of respondents. So in this case, we have seven respondents. So this step gives us the mean response per questions, but it treats all answers as equally important. Now, imagine a scenario where each respondent's feedback should carry a different level of importance, perhaps based on expertise, seniority, or response rate. This is where the weighted mean becomes essential. So, to calculate the WAM, we apply the following formula. Uh, the x represents the value or score, then the w is the weight assigned to each score, and the last one is to denote the summation symbol. So by multiplying each score by its respective weight before averaging, we obtain a more accurate and context sensitive result. Once the weighted mean is computed for each questions, we interpret the results in the context of our 4-point Likert scale. So, for instance, a score close to 4 indicates strong agreement among respondents. A value near 1.00 implies strong disagreement. This allows researchers or educators to draw clear insights from data, such as identifying areas of consensus or concern. And that is all for my report. Thank you.